This is KEZI 9 News, breaking
Today
news.
is a day of hope. Today is the day that we get to go on the offensive instead of being on the defensive.
That was the chief nurse at Riverbend Hospital just a short time ago. Vaccinations at 2 hospitals in Lane County are underway right now, marking the beginning of the end of this pandemic. Good morning. Thank you for joining us here for KEZI 9 News at midday. I'm Jamie Hayes. A long-awaited moment in Lane County is finally here as the first healthcare workers in our area have received the coronavirus vaccine earlier this morning. Let's take a look. We were there as staff as Mackenzie Willamette Medical Center in Springfield received the first doses around 7 o'clock this morning. The hospital is holding vaccine clinics throughout the week for healthcare workers and anticipates more than 400 people to get vaccinated by the end of the week. So far, the hospital has received just 1 shipment, and the second doses will need to be administered in another 3 weeks. Infectious disease hospitalist Dr. Harry Scholes was first in line.
Oh, it was great. A momentous occasion here. We're witnessing history, and it was painless and easily tolerated. So I'm happy to be a part of it and glad to help spread the good news.
He said there's about 1,000 employees who will need the vaccine. They hope to have all 1,000 vaccinated by the beginning of next month. But a bigger task lies ahead for Peace Health hospitals. They have 6,000 medical staff who will need the vaccine. They vaccinated their first employees this morning in Springfield just hours after Mackenzie Willamette did. Officials received 975 doses of the Pfizer vaccine last week and anticipate receiving more sometime later on this week. They'll be able to vaccinate 200 caregivers just today alone. First in line was Riverbend nurse Carol Eichmeyer.
I'm excited that the vaccine is here in Oregon and that we're finally getting it. It feels like a light at the end of the really long tunnel.
Everyone who got the vaccine told us it was a largely painless process, actually better than getting the flu shot. Most hospitals are using the Pfizer vaccine, which they are able to store in their ultra-cold freezers.